What does stress do to our deeper systems, our deeper minerals, our deeper elements? And what are some tools that folks can start to think about today in regard to managing their stress so their stress doesn't manage them?
Yeah, we'll come back to peptides again, but there is a podcast about they were researching peptides for longevity, and it
Yes.
was a long running study, and they did a lot of different bioregulator peptides, and they came back and they said the one factor that made these peptides not function the way they should in the body was stress. So their study that had the most stressed people had the least effect from the longevity peptides. And that says a lot. And stress is depleting nutrients too. So, you can see that on the Oligoscan, you can see it in their lives, in their sleep. And oh man, and we should probably talk about EMFs as well. So I've been researching EMFs, and I probably on my newsletter I'll have a picture of an ostrich sticking its head in the sand, because that's what we all want to do. We all want to say, oh, this phone that I want to play with, this phone that helps me do my job, this computer that helps make life, so convenient, isn't necessarily good for me. So, part of it is saying, let me control what I have control over. Yeah, I can't fix the high tension power lines down the street. I can't fix the cell tower on the hill behind my house. But can I make changes? Can I put my phone in airplane mode at night or keep it in the other room? Can I shut my Wi-Fi router off at night with a timer? Like things like that, you have control over, and your sleep is the most important 8 hours of your day. And so for people that are experiencing chronic stress, it could just be that the electrical component, the EMF problem is like the straw that broke the camel's back. So like that's going to be a piece of the puzzle for my clients going forward, is to address that to the extent that they're capable of, and hope that it helps as well.